So let's say we get some practice. Let's get some practice, like I promised, applying what we've already learned about addition. And let's do a quick review real quick. So we know addition is adding on something to what we already have. So let's say I have one ice cream cone right here. I have one ice cream cone, and I want to go ahead and I want to add one more ice cream cone to that. So essentially what I'll have at the end of the day is I'll have 2 ice cream cones, because 1 + 1 is equal to 2. So it doesn't matter with addition what you apply this to. It's just adding on more to what you already have. So right here, if I have 3 ice cream cones on the left side here, and I want to add 2 ice cream cones to that, well, I'm going to end up having 5 ice cream cones. So it doesn't matter whether this is dogs or cats. I have 3 dogs plus 2 dogs. I want to end up with 5 at the end, because 3 + 2 is 5. So let's look at this and get some examples and get some practice what we do right here. So right now, you can see this first one is done for you on the side. I have 1 ice cream cone plus 4 ice cream cones is going to give you 5. So 1 + 4 is 5. And it doesn't matter if I start out at the 4 and I go up 1, or I start at the 1 and go to 4. I'm going to get to 5 no matter what. So in addition, you can do it either way. So if I started out at 4 and I went to 1, I would still get a 5. Let's go have 1 + 7. 1 + 7 is what? Or one other way to look at it, 7 + 1 is what? 1 + 7 is going to be 8. That's going to be equal to 8 if we look at it that way. Let's also look at 1 + 1. What's 1 + 1? Well, that's going to be 2. 1 + 1 is 2, right? So that's a good one. Let's do another one right here. This bottom right here. So what if I started out at 8 and I went up 1? What is 1 + 8 or 8 + 1? What is that? That's going to be equal to 9, right? So like I said, it doesn't matter which way you started out. If you go 1 + 8 or 8 + 1, you're going to be at the same number. So try some of these out on your own. See if you can figure out the rest of these and kind of get an idea of what these answers might be. So if you had 1 + 4, what might that be? I think if you try this on your own, you'll think that you can actually add, and you can do a really good job of it.